Oke, selamat sore. Balik lagi sama gitu. Kita lanjut lagi Bully Indonesia.
I clearly don't.
Ada terus.
You want more? I swear I'll get that down.
Excuse me, what do you want?
Hey, Jimmy.
That's not proper.
Oke. Kita visit.
Hello, miss.
Oh, there you are, Jimmy. I'll make this quick. Your mom sent you a Christmas present.
Just great.
I know. You are very lucky. Your mom's so nice. You may go now. Is that all then?
Cool.
To get more tea for Dr. Krabs. I've got archives to search.
Aduh. Dah.
Bye now.
No need for complex reasons where a simple beating will do.
Greetings, comrades.
I can't wait for something.
Kita lepasin dulu.
It's go time! Avengers don't take so much!
Aja. Awas kau ya.
You know you love it.
Nah, lepasin dulu. Oh, enak tuh.
Hey, what's up? Are those ants?
Gua gak bisa lewat. Kita coba terakhir guys.
I really miss you. Get a load of the mail. Your outerwear is
Play hooky every now and again.
Let's see. All golf. Everyone's so
Kita coba misi terakhir guys. Kita harus misi terakhir dulu.
Hey, kid. You got it?
No.
Okay, then you want to sit on my knee?
You want a kick in the balls?
I'm sorry, kid. I'm just a little down on my luck. I mean, 1 year I'm living in Greenland with a posse of elves and some talking reindeer. And the next, I'm getting treated like a drunken fool, thrown out of the North Pole and put to work in a dump of a town like this.
Okay, man, now you're kind of creeping me out.
Why does everyone say that to me?
Whoa, I can't imagine.
I mean, the other kids was just abusing me, calling me a pervert, throwing snowballs at me. You're just like them,
Gila banget.
little red-haired bully.
Hold on. Which kids?
Those ones over there, the tough kids. Damn it, not the rich kids from fancy school like you. The Molly Connolly and Maurice boys like you.
Yeah, that's me.
They
Wah, sumpah banget ya itu.
keep me can't take it no more. What happens to the old days? And Miss Prancer.
Oh, what?
He was always my favorite. Not Rudolph.
No.
He was prima donna.
Oh.
I'm falling apart here.
Hey, listen, man. Where are these kids?
Over there somewhere.
Oke, kita rest dulu. Kita naik dulu. Oh, kena dia. Aduh, tidak dong.
Talk to you later.
Ke bawah dulu. Lah, udah nggak salah sih. Gimana lagi ulang? Aduh, dah.
Split my lip. Get him! Okay, keep it up.
Sesuatu aja waktunya habis nanti. Set.
Whoa, hey, easy.
Thanks. You're all right. Oh.
Whoa. Well, good luck with those reindeer, you maniac.
You can count on Jim. Hey, kiddo, wanna help me out here?
Oi. Push.
Have you ever been? I need your help.
My wife
Look at that.
Welcome.
What's going on, sir?
The club meeting is downstairs. Go ahead.
Thanks. I might check it out.
Apa itu?
Use diplomacy to make the elf princess do that.
Of course I can. You guys having fun?
What are you doing here? You can't join our party. Give him the chance. Let him join if he can beat Fatty's in Sumo High School.
Why not? I can always use this place to crash.
Kita bakal jalan dulu guys. Jaga. Tapi dulu susah banget.
Oh, I lost my appetite. My feelings are hurt.
Kalau diajak apa?
Get away from me. Show you I'm not win.
Gagal lagi guys.
Take that out. I'll have to ask you to leave.
Cara pukul. Kamu. Aduh, sakit sakit. Aduh, gagal lagi gitu. Gak ada misi telah yang tahu gue tuh.
Your outerwear is you look ridiculous.
Ini ditangkap dulu sumpah. Kita ambil jaket dulu. Oh, di situ dia tuh.
I said slugger. That shirt ain't doing anything.
This what you're looking for?
Wow. Thanks, Jimmy.
Oke, dapat guys. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Stand still, son. Announce prevention. Now I'm last tire, first fire.
Wah, kita aja dulu.
I can tell Mom about. I always do.
Aduh, dulu nih.
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't get that.
Oke, kita sudah sampai.
So many things. Listen, this. I was just looking for one of those. Just what I wanted. These ones are cold.
Oh, bisa bisa. Mantap, mantap.
Good work. Go out there. Some Get some. You bring me a transistor when you come back.
Tuh.
Think we can call that a wrap?
Nah, dan misi terakhir. Bisa cok. Wih, mantap. Aja coba.
Face like this. You're not addicted. You're free.
Takut dia tuh.
Watch it, man. Got it.
Drop ada deh. Udah apa?
Why don't I service around boys?
Make. Oh, ada.
I wonder.
Lagi ya, 20 menit lagi yuk. Ayo, kita kok terus dapat gas. Kita misi terakhir kok bos. Ada. Kita coba misi terakhir tuh. Aku udah kemarin habis sulit banget deh. Hos. Lagi mongkok. Ngapain lagi ngomongkok, kocak?
Oh, hey, kid.
Tak dulu.
Great. Who's the lucky guy?
Dr. Wong.
The chemistry teacher?
I don't know what it is about that guy, but every time I get a look at his bald head and nanny eyes, I go all gooey inside.
Okay, that's enough information. Thanks.
Yeah, it's true. Love is blind.
I sure hope so.
Hey, kid, I need you to do me a favor. Dr. Watts doesn't actually realize that we're going on a date yet. But we are. And I need to get ready. So, can you get me Ms. Phillips' perfume from the staff room? You know where that is, right? Oh, and I almost forgot. Some candy and some sedatives. And for the sedatives, don't buy them. Just look for them in the trash.
Okay, I can do that.
Good.
Jangan bawa ke kocak ya itu. Ngapain pakai melokot ya itu?
I'm so bored. Sometimes I feel like I'm boring.
Apa kok kan?
I'm so glad.
Awas kau. Wah, dia. Aduh gulung. Sama. Ya Allah kalau masuk. Sampai deh. Kabur.
Stop there. Right there.
Oh fuck. Ya, dah kena. Terus kabur. Oh. Aduh, ketahuan lagi tuh. Dapat. Kita harus apa lagi? Gua kita harus. Ojo. Oke, masuk dulu guys.
Hurry up, these classes are starting. I don't ever want to graduate.
Not too bad.
Are you looking to get punished?
Dapat eh.
Hey, Edna, I got your stuff. Hey, Edna, you old bat. I got your stuff. Fantastic. If I was 50 years older, I'd date you myself.
Thanks, kid. Where's the perfume?
Right here.
Thanks. I needed that. I get so nervous before a date.
Yeah, well, good luck, Edna.
Hey, kid, wait. I need you to do me a favor.
Another one?
Yeah.
What's in it for me?
I won't spit in your food.
Will you spit in Mr. Hattricks if I say yes?
For you, kid, I'll do worse than spit.
Okay. What do you want?
I want to go on a nice date with Dr. Watts.
So go then. Have fun.
Yeah. Well, you know what you kids are like. You see a beautiful couple out on a date, and you're bound to do anything to ruin it.
You got a point.
So listen. I need you to watch out for me and keep those disgusting kids away.
Misi selesai guys.
That's that.
Oke guys, thank you semua nonton. Sampai jumpa di video guys. Bye bye.